Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find accounts and backup. Let's tap. Then let's tap on this Google Drive section and tap on next. Be aware, because if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now, just like I have to. So tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required. Now you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on next. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. And now Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just mark the option which you want to backup. So photos and videos or other device data, you can mark both. I'll choose only this option and tap on confirm. Tap on manage backup, and here we've got the backup storage, the account storage actually, where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage it, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now to backup the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.